Dogs, a comprehensive encyclopedia of man's best friend. Introduction. Dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, are among the oldest animals domesticated by humans, and they are one of the most widespread and beloved pets around the world. Belonging to the canine family, dogs are closely related to wolves but have evolved over thousands of years to become loyal companions to humans. 1. Origin and history. Scientists believe dogs were first domesticated over 15,000 years ago. The relationship began when wolves approached human settlements in search of food. Humans selected the less aggressive wolves, and over time, they evolved into domestic dogs. 2. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Order, Carnivora. Family, Canidae. Species, Canis lupus. Subspecies, Canis lupus familiaris. 3. Breeds and types of dogs. There are more than 300 registered dog breeds, differing in size, color, shape, and behavior. Some famous breeds include Siberian Husky, known for endurance and snow adaptation. German Shepherd, intelligent and used in police and military. Labrador Retriever, friendly and great for families. Doberman Pinscher, strong and excellent guard dogs. Chihuahua, small-sized, ideal for apartment living. 4. Physical characteristics. Size ranges from 1 kilogram, Chihuahua, to over 70 kilograms, Saint Bernard. Teeth, 42 sharp teeth. Sense of smell, 40 times stronger than humans, used in tracking and detection. Hearing, can detect high frequencies that humans can't hear. Skin and fur, varies by breed. Some have thick fur for cold climates, others have lighter coats. 5. Intelligence and training. Dogs are among the smartest domestic animals. They can learn dozens of commands and understand voice tones and facial expressions. They can be trained to open doors, fetch objects, perform rescue tasks, assist people with disabilities. 6. Nutrition. Dogs are omnivores, meaning they eat both meat and plants. Their diet should include protein, for muscle growth, fats, for energy, vitamins and minerals, for immunity and health. There is commercial dog food available, and natural diets can be prepared at home with proper balance. 7. Social behavior. Dogs live in packs with a social hierarchy. In a household, they often see their owner as the leader. They are very social, love to play, and show emotions such as happiness, sadness, jealousy, and anger. 8. Reproduction. Gestation period, around 58 to 68 days. Puppies per litter, 1 to 12, depending on breed. Maternal care. The mother cares for puppies until about 6 to 8 weeks. It's recommended not to breed dogs before they are 1 year old to avoid health risks. 9. Health and diseases. Common health issues include rabies, internal and external parasites, e.g., ticks, worms, skin diseases and allergies, heart and bone issues in old age. Prevention includes regular vaccinations, veterinary checkups, hygiene and balanced nutrition. 10. Relationship with humans. Historically, dogs have helped humans in guarding, herding, hunting, rescue, emotional support. Today, dogs are part of many families, offering loyalty, love,